To replace a door stop on this GE refrigerator, you will need a ratchet with a T20 Torx bit. Open the appropriate refrigerator door, then use the ratchet and T20 Torx bit to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the door stop you're replacing. With the screws unthreaded, set the old door stop aside. To install the new door stop, align it on the bottom of the door so the flat side of the stop is facing the outside of the door. Then thread and tighten the two mounting screws. With the new door stop installed, confirm the door stops properly when opened.